Zoom just released a new feature called blurred background, and it looks like this. It's now a native feature, and next I'll show you how to blur your background with the click of a button, similar to the one-click feature in MS Teams. To do so, you'll need to make sure you've got the latest version of Zoom, so 5.5 or later. There's a bunch of great updates in 5.5, so it's worth updating anyway. You can do that by clicking your avatar icon, then check for updates, and you'll be prompted here to install the update. Then click Settings and come down to Backgrounds and Filters. Make sure you're in the Virtual Backgrounds section. Righto, this area should be pretty familiar to you by now, particularly if you've seen my virtual background tutorial video, which you can see in the iCard above. But now there is a new additional button called Blur, and here it is. So all you need to do is click that button to get a blurred background like this in your next Zoom meeting. It does quite a good job in comparison to the way it cuts out your background when using the standard virtual background. It even handles the outline of your body much better in that it doesn't create jagged edges, particularly with your ears. I'd be interested to see though how it handles long or frizzy hair though. I think it also works better when you're wearing headphones too. If you like to talk with your hands when you're in a meeting, you'll see that it does a reasonable job, but you start to lose your fingers a little bit and some of the background may be revealed. Whoa. You'll be glad to know that you can still use blurred background in Zoom while playing with the video filters feature. And I've done a tutorial on using these, which you can also see right here. So for example, I can just go ahead and choose everyone's favorite sunglasses like this, and still the blurred background is working well. And if you want to get really carried away, why not add some virtual makeup filters while you're at it, as these will also work with the blurred background on and the video filters all at the same time. So using blurred background in Zoom will come in handy when you want just a bit of privacy with what's behind you, or if you have a bit of clutter back there, yet you don't want to go too extreme with an unrealistic looking virtual background. Another great addition from Zoom. I don't know why it took them so long. Watch this video right now to learn the best way on how to use virtual background in Zoom without a green screen. I guarantee you'll improve your look. Chopped off fingers, check it out.